Hello my dear sweetheart subscribers, welcome back to my channel. GL Manhwa, this is new Manhwa, Kiss Me in the Dark of Night. Chapter 1. Young master, you're here at last. Sorry, there was a traffic jam. Where's the thing? My name is Jing Lai. It's in my yard, follow me. Master, I originally wanted to ask a cultural relic specialist to take a look, but I felt like this didn't fit with their profession. Not their profession. What do you mean? My job is to subdue monsters and demons. It's been raining for half a month straight. I kept hearing strange noises coming from the yard, so I thought the water pipe was broken. I decided to dig it up and take a look. Unexpectedly, we dug up a European-style coffin. The sound was coming from inside the coffin. It's so scary. Miss Wang next door told me that you are an experienced master and that I should ask you for help. Can you please take a look? I see, so you are not sure whether the coffin contains cultural relics or dirt. Yes, exactly. Bang, tap tap. There was indeed a sound. But it was very faint. It's possible that the rainwater soaked the coffin and caused a chemical reaction. This has happened a few times before. Although I don't smell zombies, there seems to be some type of creature inside. Could there be a rat inside? Worried. Does that mean it might not have something unclean inside of it? Should I call the Cultural Relics Bureau instead? Bang, ack, kachak, squeak. A foreigner. Oh no, this foreign girl looks like she's only been dead for a few days. How did she die? Should I call the police? No odor from the body. How is this possible? My family's land hasn't been touched for decades. How did a body get there? Motionless. No sign of resurrection either. Is this truly a corpse? Auntie, call the police immediately. Okay, I'll call the police right now. Strange, so strange. Pulse. Wah. Young master. Oof. What's going on? Oh shit, it came back to life. It doesn't matter, I'll just use the blood sealing talisman to freeze it. Pulse. So strong. Who are you? She's speaking zombie. Or is it English? Damn, my hands are restrained so I can't make seals. This female zombie has no reaction to my protective golden energy. Do we have to fight? She's too strong. You can understand what I'm saying, right? I don't care who you are, just get off me. Otherwise, I'll turn you to ash. Scratches. You. Wipes. Thinking. Blood. She's a blood-sucking zombie. So sweet. I can't move. Blood, sweet blood. Damn it. The source of life. She's going to tear my skin open and rip out my arteries. I'm going to die here. I still have 28 years left on my mortgage, and I already paid 2 years worth of interest. I can't die yet. Slap. Abrupt stop. Phew. Saved. The blood sealing talisman is the first talisman I learned to make after joining the Canyu sect of Motion. It's the most powerful immobilizing talisman. Proud. Whether it's a spirit, monster, demon, or ghost, as long as they're affected by the blood sealing talisman, they can be immobilized for at least 10 minutes. Eliminating demons and evil spirits is the right path, but if a person dies, how can we talk about enforcing justice for the heavens? Keep this in mind. Confused. Tears off. What's this? What is it used for? What? Why didn't it work? Am I really so lucky that I met a legendary monster? Or is it that Eastern spells can't defeat Western monsters? But at the last gathering of the demon hunting group. Boring. What's going on? Throws. That guy, Lee Sangkwon, is still bragging about subduing an evil Russian spirit from 200 years ago with a peachwood sword. $500 wasted. Hello. Snaps out of it. Ack. Shoves. Picks up. Jump. That lady ran really fast, but that's good. It'll prevent more casualties. The blood sealing talisman can't even stop this demon. I'll have to increase my strength. Steps. I won't be responsible if anything gets burned. This talisman is worth $1,500. I wonder if that lady will reimburse me. Giddy earthly fury of yin and yang listened to the call. The heavenly fire immortal summons and disperses it. The flames of the fire dragon and the 8 trigrams swirl together. The talisman takes shape and breaks through the void. The true fire of Samadhi listens to my call. The power of the 5 elements gathers at my fingertips. The spiritual light shines through the darkness and the evil spirits are driven away to protect the country. Bursts. I didn't want to be cruel, but you forced my hand. Done. Time to call it a day. Hey, don't go. What's the matter? How is that possible? Even the fire dragon talisman is useless. Are you crazy? If you're going to perform magic tricks, you should inform me in advance. I wasn't mentally prepared and it really scared me. Drops. What language am I speaking? Hi guys, thank you so much for supporting me and please like, share and comment and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.